Hello, friends and fellow business owners. I'm Andrew Mazer from Small Business U, and I'm also the author of a new book. It's a very short book. It's called The Groupon Solution, How to Get More Repeat Customers with Groupon Marketing. And in this video series, I'm demonstrating some things about some things that are in the book that I want to explain more in video so you can not only read, but get a visual on all the things that I'm talking about, and that I can expand on some of these subjects. This is one of the subjects that I talk about in the book. It's about not having your website ready for the onslaught of visitors that will come to your website after they see the promotion come out. When the Groupon promotion comes out, hundreds or thousands of people are going to see it very quickly. And then it's also posted on the Groupon website. So what happens sometimes, and I warn this in the book, I warn people about this in the book, is that Groupon sometimes fails to link your website to the ad. Okay, when people come and when people are looking at the deal, they don't usually just buy the deal. They want to take a closer look. So they'll scroll down, they'll read about whatever they have written here about your place, and then they'll want to see the company website, or they'll want to see the menu. So let's click on menu right here. And it didn't take, believe me, this is the first example that I chose and found this problem. And I wrote about it in the book. And today I decided I'm going to find an example of this. Look, I just clicked on menu. And look what comes up. Related links. This is not a website. So either this place has a bad link here on the Groupon, or this restaurant doesn't have a website. I mean, that's a huge mistake, because a website is the hub of all your internet marketing. Everything you do in marketing, whether it's online or offline, will drive people to your website, because they want to take a closer look. Anybody who's interested will want to take a closer look. They want to see the menu. They want to see what your place looks like. They want to find out if you serve cocktails, beer, or should they bring their own, or anyone, your business hours. Do you serve dessert, coffee, things like that? People want to know. So they'll visit your website to learn more. And when your website is not ready to capture this new onslaught of eyeballs and potential new customers, is a huge mistake. So I just clicked, a moment ago, I clicked on the link above here that said menu, and now I'm going to click down below here and see what this says. Another sort of placeholder. It's not a website. It's certainly not that restaurant's website. So there's a failure right there. And I just found that the very first restaurant listing I found today in Groupon for a restaurant. I see this failure. So it's kind of ironic that was my thing to do today, and I found one first time. So this happens all the time. And I wrote about this in the book specifically because I've seen it so many times. So I don't know who failed here. If this place, Bobby Ray's, fails to have a website, or I don't know if Groupon failed to link the proper website address to the ad. So this is a super big mistake, and I warn you against it. I don't want you to make this mistake. So get the book and find out about all the other recommendations that I have and things that you can do to your website, online, offline, to make all your marketing more effective, more long-lasting and more profitable. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video, I hope. And if you want to get a copy of the Groupon solution, just go to Small Business U, that's small business and the letter U.org/Groupon solution. And you can download a copy of it for free, or you can pay $3, which just covers the cost of postage, and get a hard copy. That's smallbusinessu.org/Groupon solution. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to this channel and click the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you can be alerted every time a new video comes out. Thanks.